Hi, Gina here at Tarot and Time, here to talk to you about making moon water. So we know as humans that the moon affects us, right? We know that the hospitals tend to get more full capacity during a full moon. So as humans, the moon affects our moods, and as women, it affects our moods even more. And then as a Cancer sign that's ruled by the moon, or I think of all water signs, in my opinion, are affected by the moon even more so. So why make moon water? And what is moon water? So my understanding of moon water is just basically filling up a jar of water, nice tap water if you have it. If not, you could use bottled water. Put it into some kind of glass container. So like I have this cool water bottle with this labradorite stone in it, but it can just be a glass cup and just put a plate over it. I like, personally at home, I use like a big jar with a lid. You want it covered because you want to be able to put it outside. In the winter time, I put it in a windowsill. Whatever works, whatever makes it easy for you so that you do this. And so I encourage you to start paying attention to the moon cycle. If the moon rules our moods that much, wouldn't it be nice to know what sign the moon is in? It's kind of fun to journal about it. I've been doing that for a while, and I've kind of seen some consistencies in how I feel, which days I feel more powerful, and those are the days that I plan to do more stuff. So moon water, usually a couple days before the new moon, if I can remember to do it. I try to mark my calendar. I'll put the water out, and I'll leave it out after a couple days, after a new moon, after a full moon. On a new moon, I like to write down wishes, right? Because it's a dark moon, and then it's going to grow bigger into the full moon. And so my wishes can grow bigger too. So it's not that hard to jot down a couple things that you'd like to see happen. And I've been starting to, since it's been warm here up in New England, taking my wishes and putting it underneath the water, especially if the jar is clear. It's like infusing the water with your wishes. Or if I do it inside, I can put it in the windowsill, put my wishes in the windowsill too. You don't have to do it, whatever works for you, but why not make a few wishes? Ask the universe for what you want. Place your order. Then letting the water sit out there, it charges up, and sometimes if I have a big jug, I'll take a few sips off of it as it's going. Like I said, whatever works for you. Then on the full moon, you could do the same thing. I like to read the wishes that I made on the new moon, see what's happened, and see what I received. Did I get those wishes? And really give thanks for what you did receive. And sometimes if I have extra time on a full moon, I'll put a table out, maybe a little plastic table or something, and just put out some of my crystals to clear. And sometimes if the weather is really nice, I'll put out some of my tarot decks to clear. And then I have my moon water there too. So as you drink that water, you're infusing yourself with the energy of that moon, right? Because each month the new moon is in the same sign that the sun is in. And each month the full moon is in the opposite sign of what the sun is in. So there's different energies involved in each moon. And you can read about that. We have the internet, so we can read about all these things, see what moon is associated with what. And it's kind of fun to just observe and see and play with and see what comes up for you. So you can drink that water, you can make coffee or tea with that water. I like to just drink it straight. And but you could water your plants, or you could take a bath with it, whatever you want to do. So I think that's everything I wanted to tell you about moon water. I hope that you have fun learning a little bit more about the moon. And in a way, for me, it's like if I'm not feeling great, it really is a little bit of a relief to know that the moon shifts signs every 2.5 days, approximately. So pay attention. I like to know, well, by the time I get up that morning, I should be feeling a little different, should be feeling a little better. And notice, see if it's true for you. See if there's something to this. So thanks for joining me. Enjoy your moon water. If you forget to put it out a couple days earlier, well, put it out when you can. okay? And enjoy. Make it something fun, not just another task on your list.